If you have hip pain, rheumatoid arthritis in your hips, poor circulation in your legs, weak immune system, heart problems, or high blood pressure, this rather simple myofascial yoga series for your hips will be incredibly helpful for you. It's inspired by the pawanmuktasana series. These yoga exercises and myofascial releases using a soft foam roller are designed to release your hip joint. By bringing awareness to your legs, your joints in your legs, relieving the tension in your inner thigh muscles, you will be able to free your hips and improve the range of motion in your hip joints. The yoga exercises for your hips relieve the rheumatoid arthritis and helps to slow down its progression. The movements in this series will release the inner thigh and improve the range of motion of the hip joint. By releasing the muscles of the inner thigh and improving the range of motion of the hip joint, you will be assisted in sitting more comfortably in a cross-legged position. This series also relieves fatigue from long hours of standing and physical activity. If you have poor circulation in your legs, you will benefit from this series as it relieves tiredness and cramps in the legs as well. The series helps to improve the circulation of blood and lymph in the body, and as a result, there's an improved immune function. In addition, the series is excellent for people with heart problems and high blood pressure. This short video offers myofascial release yoga using a soft foam roller. Myo means muscle, and fascia refers to the network of connective tissue that surrounds and includes your muscle. The fascial tissues get misaligned due to trauma, injury, poor movement patterns, and emotional stress. Fascia is a system of proprioception. It's rich in nerve endings, so it creates a direct pathway for nerve signals to flow to and from the brain, which helps to aid in your proprioception, your coordination, and your ability to control your movements. In this video, we use the soft foam roller to isolate the myofascia of your hips, allowing you to create a neurophysiological response that creates more range of motion in your hip joint, as well as greater ease of movement and less pain. The soft foam roller is a myofascial release tool that allows you to take care of your soft tissue. Because seeing a registered massage therapist is quite expensive, regular use of a soft foam roller is an affordable alternative, and it offers many of the same benefits of therapeutic massage. Using the soft foam roller on your hips creates a neurophysiological response. The myofascial release influences your nervous system, which actually governs the baseline tone of your muscle. Because your fascial system is rich in nerve endings, the gentle pressure on fascia communicates that there is no longer the need for tension in that area. So in the case of this class, the myofascial release using the soft foam roller creates a neurological response that allows you to have greater range of motion in your hip joint, experience greater ease during movement, and less pain. So to unlock the full class, as well as the whole series of 8 myofascial release yoga videos for all the joints of your body, including your toes, feet, ankles, knees, hands and wrists, elbows, shoulders, and neck, just click on the link below to join our membership.